Mini episode of the Dragonite. Hey guys, me Brawly. Is your roll?
And you see it at my room.
Yeah. Is that no, I do have a revolver. Hey, bye. Hey Brawly. Huh? Hey dinosaur. That is him by me too. Hey, that's picture right here too. Huh. Get down already. Let's dance. Yay! Let's get some rest instead.
I'm gonna put my voice. A villain song! Okay, goddamn.
Okay. Let's get some rest. Before we go, I think that's a good chance. Bye, some tutus in. Bye. Bye. Alright, let's get some rest. Huh? Okay, it took like, I don't know, 2 seconds over to get EAS.
Hey,
Some EAS.
oh boy, EAS, kinda scary.
Yeah, you're right. It took like, I don't know, 2 seconds then to get the EAS. Or something like that.
That's creepy.
Weird. We're gonna die! We're gonna die!
Just listen to it first.
Right. Okay, guys, just listen.
Dragon.
Okay, bye. We just gotta do something. Right. Let's listen a little bit. You're right. And yes, again. Let's turn it off.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Lorraine County, last seen on 975 Central Drive, number 38, in the city of Lorraine, Ohio, at 5:30 a.m. on July 25th, 2018. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2018 gray Chevy Camaro with Ohio registration HAQ 8308. The child's name is Robert Bean Jr., 10 months, black male, 2 foot, weighing 20 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Clothing description unknown. The suspect's name is Robert Bean, black male, 27 years old, brown hair and brown eyes. Clothing description unknown. He's 5'11", weighing 175 pounds. The suspect assaulted the child's mother. He is considered armed and dangerous. The vehicle is also entered as stolen. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH, 1-877-262-3764, or dial 911 immediately if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect's vehicle. This concludes this emergency alert system message.
200 this weekend at Mid-Ohio. Wouldn't that be fun? Oh yeah, text it today. Race 937 to 71441. Again, text race 937 to 71441. We're going to pick a winner tomorrow morning. More music on the way from Kelly Clarkson on your At Work Network, 93.7 The Super Q.
Your At Work Network, the Super Q. The The hardware heroes at Smith True Value can't leap tall buildings in a single bound, but we can help you save a little money with our bargains of the month. At Smith True Value, an extra large zero-gravity chair is just $49.99, or a 3-speed oscillating stand fan is only $16.99. And you'll find more money-saving specials in our latest sale flyer online at SmithTrueValue.com. You'll feel like a hero, too, when you shop for monthly bargains at Smith True Value on Main Street in Belleville.
Happy anniversary! This week saves store-wide during the anniversary sale at Amish Oak Furniture. Sofas, sectionals, and recliners, outdoor furniture, mattress sets, all in-stock pieces are 25% off. You'll even save 10 to 15% off special orders. Enter to win a recliner or gift certificate and save store-wide now through Sunday at Amish Oak Furniture in Loudonville and Patasko.
Today's style, old world quality, Amish Oak Furniture Company.
Open Sundays noon till 5.
It'll be Wing Night with country artist Chris Bandy and American Idol winner Trent Harmon at the Columbus Zoo, July 27th.
Enjoy the best variety of wings and sauces and get up close and personal performances from Chris Bandy and American Idol winner Trent Harmon.
All part of the Columbus Zoo concert series presented by Legacy Family Dental and the Basement Doctor.
For tickets, ColumbusZoo.org.
Also, purchase a raffle ticket to win a brand new Harley Davidson. Proceeds benefiting the Columbus Zoo.
Don't wait until school is back in session. Get that smile taken care of this summer at Centerburg Dental Care. From dental cleaning to implants, crowns, bridges, and for orthodontics. Have you wanted to sleep through your dental appointment? Centerburg Dental Care can help with that. So get your back-to-school appointment to take care of that smile at Centerburg Dental Care. They're here to help, not to judge. So give Centerburg Dental Care a call today, 740-480-8162, or visit their website at CenterburgDentalCare.com. Remember, Centerburg Dental Care provides dental care for the whole family, and they're always accepting new patients.
Whether you're in a hurry or not, standing in line and waiting for your prescriptions can be frustrating. Choose Conway's East Side Pharmacy instead. You will get the quick but high level of service you're looking for, plus free delivery. If you have questions for our pharmacy team, Conway's East Side Pharmacy will take the time to get to know you, explain your medications, and answer any questions you have. New name, but the same owners and same faces you trust. Conway's East Side Health Mart Pharmacy, caring for you and about you.
It's that time of year again. Racing season is here, and so is the EAS Broadcasting Racing Guide. Check out the schedules of all your favorite local tracks. Make sure you stay up to date with your favorite racing. You can pick up your copy at any of these fine sponsors.
Be about masonry, Shearer Equipment, and Melt Iron Auto Parts.
Get the EAS Broadcasting Racing Guide, your perfect companion for the racing season. It's yours today.
Partly sunny skies this afternoon with temperatures in the low 80s. Partly cloudy tonight, lows in the low 60s. Thursday, mostly sunny with a high of 83. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow night. That's your forecast from 93.7 Ohio Superstation.